Namaskar. Now we shall understand simple problem solving using Python. This is quite basic program that to calculate the area of triangle using the base and height. So we shall collect the height and base first. Collection means we'll use input function. So input function, and for this particular problem we are collecting it as an integer value. Okay, so this input function will be enclosed within integer function. Then we shall use the formula. So this is basically for every problem solving there is a formula, and moment we apply that formula, interestingly this division, normal division, is a float division in Python. In other languages it is integer division. Formula with float division. So area, even though height and base are integer values, area will come as a float value. We'll see, just see that. And height has been printed, base has been printed, and area of triangle has been printed. Let us run this program. So let me give height as 8. Okay. Let us give base as, say, triangle base, let me say it is 10. And then when I give, so it has come height 8, base 10, and area of triangle 40. If you want to indicate unit, then we can write in the text here itself, and here we can write unit. Should I show you? Height of triangle in centimeter. Here also I can write in centimeter, and here I can give area centimeter square. Yeah, or square centimeter is better. Square centimeter. So this will print like the same. Just see. Say I give value 5, then I give value say 20 here, and this has been printed 50 square centimeter, right? So let me pause this. So we will now understand the explanation of this code. Okay, let us see. Basically this problem solving and the formula building should be explained here, how it is done. Problem is area of triangle. We can have various type of problems. Code calculate the area of triangle. Let's break it down. So this gets converted to integer, base gets converted to integer, and area comes with this formula. They have given 0.5 into base into height. It is basically the same formula. And the division ensures a float division very clearly. So we are now just printing it, and in centimeter we are calculating, and in square centimeter the area is coming. So straight away we are getting the results. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.